Today we are going to cover a very interesting topic, that is intent clashing. I'm pretty sure most of us must have encountered this issue while building our virtual agents. If not, let me first tell you what intent clashing is. So, whenever you create an intent, you have training phrases for it. So, as your virtual agent grows, there are more and more intent that you start creating. Now, what happens is whenever there are training phrases that are similar in both of the intents, intent clashing is bound to happen. Let's understand this with an example. To explain intent clashing, I have taken a very simplified example. As you can see on the screen, it's an internship assistant that helps users with the available openings. Now, based upon the type of the degree that a user has, it will suggest you what kind of internship openings are there. As you can see in the conversation flow, if a user has a master's degree, then it directly suggests the openings that are available. But if a user has a bachelor's degree, then the conversation flow is slightly different. Here, first user is asked whether they have a master's degree or not, and then they are suggested the openings. So the moment you see this, you might think about that, okay, I will create two intents. One intent that can capture master's degree person and other intent that can capture bachelor's degree intent. Now let's see what would happen if we create two different intents for capturing the master's degree and a bachelor's degree. So as you can see on the screen, and the training phrases that have been trained are like this, that I have done bachelor's degree in computer science, I've done bachelor's degree in mechanical, like pursuing bachelor's in machine designing, bachelor's in designing. If you remember, when we started this video, we said that intent clashing is bound to happen when there are intents that have similar training phrases. And as we can clearly see, the intents that we have created over here has exactly similar training phrases. And this is where when your intent clashing will start to happen. Now we have a pretty good understanding of what intent clashing is. Let's start looking at how this problem can be resolved. We can resolve intent clashing by reducing the number of intents and following an approach which is called as entity based approach. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, what I have done is I have just created one single intent over here named as captured degree. So in previous slide, what we saw is there were two intents that we created. One was bachelor's, one was for master's, right? But here what we are doing is we are just creating one single intent, and that intent is named as captured degree, and that intent is now trained to capture both bachelor's as well as master's, and we are going to create an entity called as degree, and then we will be tagging that entity in our training phrases. So as you can see, my intent count has reduced from 2 to 1. It means that whenever user uses a phrase that has similar training phrases, now actually is just going to trigger one intent, because all these phrases are now captured into one intent. So dialog flow is now gonna not get confused, and it's gonna trigger the right intent, providing a right user behavior. So while designing your virtual agents, if you have conflict training phrases, try to see if an entity-based approach can be followed. I'm sure once you find out the right entities, your intent clashing problem will definitely be resolved.